Welcome to TechIlipart channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to download and install Discord on PC. Now the first thing you have to do is go to search bar and then search store and then click on Microsoft Store and give it a moment. From here go to search bar and then type Discord and then click Discord app. Now from here click on install and then Discord will start downloading and will be installed automatically. You don't have to do anything. And the download is complete. Now just close the window and then go to start. Here at the top you can see Discord. Then just click here and give it a moment to downloading update. And after downloading update, Discord is starting. And here it is. Now Discord is ready for use. From here you can log in or register your Discord account. And that is how you can download and install Discord in your Windows 10 or 11 PC. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.